Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to cover guys how can we on our adaptive brightness mode setting in our Tecnophone device. Means guys, automatic brightness mode guys, you want to on it in your Tecnophone, so as you can on. And guys, now let's see how to on automatic brightness mode setting in our Tecnophone. In this video guys, I will show you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to on it. And guys, you can see this type of settings. So guys, you will have to click on guys this display and brightness setting. Then guys, you can see your adaptive brightness, and guys tap here. As you can see your notification this about adaptive brightness. So as after guys, your phone brightness will decrease because guys I am inside, and guys when you will go outside it will increase. So I hope friends you have understood how to on adaptive brightness mode in our Tecnophone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet our next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.